Hey guys, this is Zach with Crypto Building Blocks. Hope y'all are having an awesome day. I've got some really awesome information to share with you guys that you guys probably may not be aware of about this company that we did a review on our website here. The website, if you guys want to come check us out, it's cryptobuildingblocks.wordpress.com. Cryptobuildingblocks.wordpress.com. My partner Ben Mercer put this together for us, but it's about SiaCoin. A lot of buzz around SiaCoin here lately, and it's for really good reason. I think most people don't really realize what that reason is. But here's a short synopsis of what we've written up about it. But you guys can come and check this out for yourself. But basically, it's centering around one of the, in my opinion, the biggest business models about this decentralized blockchain distributed ledger technology use cases. Guys, there's a huge demand for data. We are in the world of data right now, and guys, the storage costs. You can go over here to SiaCoin. This is their website right here. You can check out what their competitive advantage is. And guys, taking a look at this, see what your savings are going to be. Man, compared to Amazon, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, it's like less than, right at 10% of the cost. Okay, the download bandwidth cost is not even close. I mean, you're talking about like 1% to less than 2% of the cost. So it's absolutely nuts. And guys, a lot of projects that we're seeing out there right now, let's face it, guys, they're just ideas. And a lot of them are money grabs. And what we're trying to do here for you guys at Crypto Building Blocks is not only share a little bit of investment insight with you guys, but give you some guidance in the real technology. If you guys are wanting to day trade and we want to help you out with that, absolutely, because I love doing that. But really what we're doing is we're looking for value long term, because hopefully you guys realize that there's a ton of hype around all these technologies right now. And sadly, 5-10 years from now, there's probably only going to be a handful of just mega, cryptos left, right? But in the shorter to near middle term, several years down the road, we're gonna have a lot of winners, I think, and there's room for a lot of people in this space. But in each segment, you're gonna have one probably giant. That's just the way capitalism works most of the time in the long term. And SiaCoin, I think, has really positioned themselves to be a leader in the pack. I mean, these are just numbers on a spreadsheet, right? But I mean, how the heck are they gonna accomplish this, right? Well, if you do some digging, guys, I'm going to show you why SiaCoin might be an incredible opportunity right now. Right now, the market cap for SiaCoin, it hit a high at about $3 billion right here. Right, almost 3.3, probably hit $3.3 billion market cap. Right now, it's on a little bit of a sale, right? 1.9 billion. And it, could be, if we go over here to the 7-day chart, might be it's still trending down, so might be a really good dip to buy on. This is, first off, guys, nothing I'm saying here is an investment or financial advice. This is just my own opinion, and so it might be a good time to maybe it might continue slipping, but it's got a little bit of a spike here at the end of the day today here, but it might continue dipping, so it might be a good idea to maybe dollar cost average. But I'm going to show you guys why. Okay, this is something you guys probably haven't heard of about SiaCoin yet, and this is the Obelisk platforms, okay, right here, that you're going to be able to use to mine. They're ASIC chip miners, and this is for Decred and SiaCoin. Okay, right now they're on pre-order. They cost about $1,600, but I think it's actually pretty affordable for what these chips, and you guys can look into this more if you want to. But I mean, here's the hash rates and everything like that. You can pre-order them. They're supposed to ship out before August, okay, and or by August, I should say. And but here's what's really, I came across this article at first when I was looking into this, and basically what these guys are saying here is, hey, at this point they hadn't released the name of the manufacturer. They're saying, hey, they've been manufacturing for 20 years, but they won't say who they are. And with the hash rates and 500 watts and yada yada yada. This is too good to be true. Probably, hey, if something when something sounds too good to be true, it often is, right? And they're saying, hey, you can only pre-order it with Bitcoin. Well, if you go to their site here, you can pre-order it with Bitcoin. You can also use a bank wire transfer. Why not PayPal, you might be wondering. Well, if you're doing a pre-order and it's all the way in August, and you're using that capital to fund this project right here, and to manufacture these units, well, if you use PayPal, then people can back out and get a refund really, really quickly. Hey, I haven't gotten my product yet, and it's been a few weeks. And well, hey guys, we told you it was going to be, sometime around August. But anyways, they have released who they are partnered with. Okay, and I pulled it. It's on their website. You can look it up on their website. Here it is right here. CSS. Okay, Custom Silicon Solutions. They're over here in Irvine, California. You can go to their website, check them out. They seem pretty legit at a first glance to me. I didn't dig that deep into the company and the history of them or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, it looks like definitely a manufacturing place right here in Irvine, California. But here's what's really, really awesome, guys. You go to the homepage here. The Obelisk, they're doing mining for not only SiaCoin, but for Decred as well. Now, Decred is less than half the market cap of SiaCoin. So, you might say, well, hey, and of course, it's a different crypto altogether. But you might say, well, hey, I mean, I'm thinking I'm going to go with Decred here. But here's what's really interesting, guys. Here's what I want you guys to see. We created Obelisk to ensure more secure, more future-proof networks for cryptocurrencies like Decred and SiaCoin. And guys, let me just tell you something. This is only the beginning with Decred. Because I'll get to it here in just a second. Most cryptocurrencies rely on GPU mining, which is inherently less secure than ASICs, okay? They're using ASIC chips, which, by the way, guys, one ASIC chip is equivalent to about 100 GPU chips, okay? Countless number of GPUs exist throughout the world in large Ethereum mining farms, corporate settings, government facilities, and more. Government facilities and more. A large number of GPUs can do a 51% attack on smaller cryptocurrencies, right? If they can, a 51% attack is not exactly the term. Really, all you need is a third. But if they can do a firewall, then 51%, they can kind of do an attack on that community at least, leading to serious security issues. All right, that goes without saying. Moreover, most GPU mining pools automatically switch to the most profitable coin, right? Which means miner incentives are not aligned with that of users, okay? So if a coin drops in values, miners simply switch to another coin. With ASICs, incentives are better aligned. Miners cannot switch, which means they are more about the success of the coin, right? And so that's really good news for Decred. SiaCoin, I think, has a really good advantage here, okay? Obelisk started as a project by the team behind Sia, okay, a promising cryptocurrency project with a working product. Since then, we've assembled a team of over 16 skilled ASIC and electronics engineers with decades of experience, in addition to building out dedicated Obelisk team. Now, just because the company behind SiaCoin that's doing this in Obelisk, if they continue to it doesn't necessarily mean that the cryptocurrency is going to do extremely well. And again, guys, this is not investment advice, but really, what's going on here, guys? To me, it looks like SiaCoin, they have the ability to manufacture these chips for different cryptocurrencies, right? And so I think we're going to see a lot of this coming along. This is, of course, based on proof of work. And I'm not saying that this won't be out of date in another couple, 2-3 years or something like that. Maybe sooner, who knows? But, technology moves fast, but it doesn't move that fast. And this seems pretty cutting edge to me. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm sure some of you guys out there know a lot more about this stuff than I do, because I am not a miner or anything like that. But I do see that SiaCoin is really getting ahead of the ball here as far as security and data storage, which, like I said, guys, that's really what this is all about. In my opinion, platforms like Ethereum, EOS, Lisk, Neo. Pick your favorite one. I'm not here to show my bags to you guys. And so platforms, data storage is a huge market, right? Where you live in the age of data. And then the other one would be, currencies, coins that are actually going to be used as currencies. I'm talking long term here, guys. I'm not talking about what we can do, to make 100% returns over the next week or anything necessarily. But if we take a look at SiaCoin, like I said, they had a huge pump here recently. I mean, a huge run up, and now they're on a dip. It's not unusual to see that, guys. It might be a good buying opportunity. Who knows? It might go back down to a 1 billion or even less, like it was before. Okay, it was just back here around December 23rd had $641 million market cap. It could go back there for sure. And if it did, I'd be accumulating a lot more myself personally, because I see this is a really, really great tech behind this coin. The data storage, centralized data storage, this is how they're able to save so much money on, basically cloud data storage services, right? And guys, it's really, really profitable. If you're, interested in mining, I would look into this potentially. But anyways, guys, again, this is Zach with Crypto Building Blocks. You can check out our blog here. We've got different topics we're working on: ICOs, technical analysis charts, and things like that. Also, you can find us at Twitter, Crypto Building Blocks. Guys, we're brand new in the space as far as our blog, our Twitter. We'd really appreciate it. You guys giving us a follow. It's at Crypto BLDG, like short for building, and then blocks, BLOX, at Crypto Building Blocks, okay? Or just type it in Crypto Building Blocks. Hopefully you'll find us there. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it very much. Hope you have an awesome day.